Water. Children, do you know about 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water? Water is not only found in seas, rivers, and oceans, but is also found underground, and it is even present in the air. Water present under the ground is called underground water. We all know that most of our body weight is made up of water. About 70% of the body weight is water. Water can changes from one form to other. On heating, it become water vapor, and on cooling, it become ice. Evaporation. Do you know what is evaporation? The sun slowly heats the water on the surface of the earth to change into water vapor. On heating, water changes into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Evaporation takes place faster when there is strong wind. Children, have you noticed clothes dry faster when there is wind and the exposed surface of water is large, then evaporation takes place faster. Evaporation takes place faster when the temperature of the surroundings is high. When the temperature is high, evaporation is faster. And when the air is dry, evaporation takes place faster. Water vapor goes up in the atmosphere and form clouds. And these clouds fall on the earth as rain. Water vapor also take the form of dew, frost, fog, and snow. We can learn one by one. Condensation. When water vapor is allowed to cool, it changes into drops of water. This is called condensation. Evaporation happens when water is heated and condensation when water is cooled. Look at an experiment how condensation takes place. Take a glass, put some ice pieces, pour some water into the glass. After some time, we can see that ice melts. After this, we can see that droplets of water sticking to the outer surface of the glass. You all may have noticed this before. This process is called condensation. Ice, water, and water vapor are the three forms of water. Water on cooling we get ice, water on heating we get water vapor, and the liquid form is water. In nature, water exists in the forms of fog, dew, frost, hail, and snow. Fog occurs when thick clouds of tiny drops of water form just above land or water. Fog is Moodal Manya in Malayalam. When the water vapor in the air condenses and appear as droplets on the ground and other surfaces, it is called dew. We often see dewdrops early in the morning on leaves, flowers, and standing vehicles. It is Manyatulli. When it is very cold, the dew or surface water freezes into tiny white crystals. This is called frost. We have studied what is dew, and when this dew freezes, we get frost. And this happens when it is very cold outside. When raindrops pass through a very cold region of the atmosphere, they freeze and become hail. Have you heard of Alipalam? This hail is Alipalam, and this happens when rain pass through the cold region. And the last one is snowflakes. This happens when the water vapor is suddenly cooled. Then it freezes into tiny white crystal shaped crystals called snowflakes. Look at the picture. You can see the shapes of snowflakes. Children, this much for today's portion. Read the lesson and study well.